Welcome to our channel. Cultural immersion creates deep connections and authentic understanding. Step 1. Research the cultural practices, history, and customs of your destination thoroughly. Step 2. Learn basic language skills before arrival to facilitate deeper interactions. Step 3. Choose homestays or locally owned accommodations to experience daily life. Step 4. Participate in cultural workshops like cooking classes or traditional crafts. Step 5. Attend religious services or ceremonies if culturally appropriate and welcomed. Step 6. Volunteer with community organizations to give back while connecting with locals. Step 7. Eat where locals eat rather than tourist restaurants. Step 8. Use local transportation to experience daily routines. Step 9. Attend local festivals and celebrations during your visit. Step 10. Engage in conversations and ask respectful questions about culture and traditions. Step 11. Dress according to local customs to show respect. Step 12. Approach differences with curiosity rather than judgment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.